Good morning, Yakbeard Jr. here. I am coming from just a little bit outside of Atlanta, just north. Today we're gonna do something me and my dad have been talking about doing here for a little while. I actually tried doing it once before, but the weather conditions didn't turn out to be the greatest, so we had to cancel it. But we're gonna do it today. So what we're doing is a Georgia versus Arkansas, son versus father fishing showdown. Originally, it was supposed to be a river versus river showdown, but I went there this morning and it was flowing pretty heavy and there was a lot of mud built up on the bank. It was making it hard to get down to, so I came here to Hollis Latham Reservoir in North Georgia. It's a beautiful reservoir. I've been here twice before. Didn't get that many bites, but the last time I was here I did catch my personal best, so I know there's big ones in here. So my dad's lucky I'm not going to the river, because the last few times I've gone to the river I have been absolutely slaying the spotted bass, so he's lucky. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna get out here. My dad is going on the Little Maumelle River in Arkansas. So the rules we're going by, we're gonna do best 3 fish, going by the catch photo release method. Sunrise to sunset, best 3 fish wins. So we're gonna get out there, give my dad a call, see if he's ready to go, and let's get fishing. Good morning.
Good morning. So we got a really bad connection, but we're going to do the best we can with our morning meeting here.
Yeah, it is a cold morning here.
It is here too, but I'll tell you the truth, I'm sweating and freezing at the same time.
I am too, yeah.
Too many clothes on my upper body.
Well, I am out on the lake.
Yeah, I'm here on the Big Maumelle River, ready to get this challenge started.
You're lucky I didn't get on the river today, because I've been killing it there.
Yep, well, we'll see about that, sonny boy.
Ready to get to it?
All right, good luck to you and not good luck to you.
Back at you.
All right, okay, bye. I did not expect the water to be this muddy today. I can't make up my mind whether I want to go downstream towards the Arkansas River or upstream towards Maumelle Lake. I don't know what they're going to be doing today with this water being high and muddy like this. They're supposed to be chasing shad right now, but I don't see any of that going on at all. Yeah, I'm gonna go upriver just a little ways and see what's going on. If I don't have anything happening, I'll turn around and go the other way. All right, upstream here. I didn't go very far, but just don't think it's happening. I'm gonna head back downstream to the bigger part of the river. It goes down and dumps into the Arkansas River. Big problem is the wind has picked up quite a bit. I can hear it out there, and it's wide open down there on that end of the river. So I'm gonna be fighting the wind, but I think my chances will be better. We'll see. This water is really, really muddy and pretty high. So that's my excuse, and I'm staying with it.
Finally. Yes! Finally! right, finally got one. A good one too. Fish. Let's see. 17. All right, first fish. It's on the board. The way things have been going today, I may win it. Because I know my dad hasn't texted me saying he has gotten any yet. This is the first bite for me today.
Well, I really hope that Dylan's doing better than I am, because I'm really struggling, especially with this wind. I'm really beginning to think I may not catch a single fish today, but I can't think that way too much. Always gotta stay positive, but man, it is a struggle bus today. Muddy, high water, and really windy in this kayak. Notification. Dylan, hopefully. Uh-oh, I think he got one. Yep. Hey, it's a decent one too. Looks like a 17 1/4. Wow. Alright. Hey, I'm just glad one of us got one, because it's been such a struggle today. That's a decent one too. Alright, old man's got to catch up now.
So, just an update. I have been struggling all morning. I got here at 8. It is 12:12. That was my first catch way back in the shallows. I mean, that was probably 3 foot of water. I went way back here in all this thick stuff. These trees sticking out of the water. There's just brush and sticks and trees and all kinds of stuff back in these pockets all over this lake. It's like that. Last time I was here, they were not biting shallow. They were biting just outside of this thick stuff. And it seems like now maybe they're moving in to the shallower areas, but I don't know. I'm still gonna try everywhere. I've also tried so much different bait. That caught that one on the swim jig, so I'm gonna keep throwing that. Last time I was here, I caught my PB on a Bandit 100 crankbait. That's like a mid-depth. I think it's like 7 to 10 foot, somewhere around there. So I'm gonna keep throwing that too. And then I've got a trick worm tied on as well. That does well for me in a lot of the reservoirs around here. So I think for now I'm gonna keep those tied on. I'm gonna go back into all these pockets just like this and go into the shallows of it and see if I can catch more fish like that, because that's the only bite I've got all day. But just talked to my dad, just texted him. He hasn't caught anything all day either, so that could win it. But we'll see. I've still got about 5 hours, so we'll keep fishing. Look at that. I will keep it. I just actually talked to a guy that was saying he caught an 11-pounder here. Whether or not that's true, I don't know, but he said he was using a spoon. I don't have spoons, so I'm Wonder if I could clean this thing up. Oh yeah. The hook still looks good. Yes. All right. Yes. Number 2. All right. Let's get this guy measured. All right. 13 1/4. Yeah, okay. I know. Whoa. Hold up. Number 2 on chatterbait.
On today's episode of Struggle Boss, I'm really struggling. I haven't even had a hint of a bite. Of course, this water is so dirty, I'm gonna have to hit them right on the head with it for them to even know it's there. Oh, I need a little fish and I need it real bad. I need it right now because I am dead. I've been watching Lake Fork Guy too much. There's another message from Dylan, I bet. Honestly, I hope he caught another one. It looks like he did. Yep. Looks like he's got 13 1/4. Another nice fish. Yep, he is tearing old dad up today. I'm not going to use my conditions as an excuse. He's just beating me today. That's awesome.
All right, number 3. All right, calm down. All right, number 3. Man, all of these fish have been so shallow. Number 3. Caught in about 2 foot of water on chatterbait. $15 1/4.
Now I don't want to lose my back to blue spinner. Shit. I hear my phone dinging. A message from Dylan. I guarantee you he's caught another fish while I'm here, hung up, struggling in the wind, about to lose my favorite black and blue spinner bait. Dang it. This is like 45 feet of water too. There's no way I'm getting that back. No way. Yeah. Man, that didn't sound good either. That sounded like my rod, not the... I guess it was just the line slapping the rod when it broke. Okay. let's pull up here, anchor up, and see how Dylan's beating Dad to smithereens today. 'Cause Dad's on the struggle bus. Yep, he's got another one. I knowed it. 15 and a quarter. Yep, I'm gonna be lucky to catch up today. He says all these fish have been in less than 3 feet of water. Are you kidding me? Not here. Of course, he's in Georgia. So, all right, good job, son. That's awesome. All right. Well, since I lost my only black and blue spinnerbait, and it's a windy day, I think I'm gonna go with black and blue chatterbait. Got a little black and blue Senko tail end on there. You'll see the way it's going. It's not gonna help me, but maybe. Come on. Yep. Snagged again. Okay. I got it out of the snag in the water and immediately got it in the tree.
All right. Oh man, this guy's gnarly. He's got some sort of, he's got like an infection. He does not look good. Oh geez. Well, I'm gonna try and not touch his body while I measure him. He does not look good. I don't think it could be really anything that could harm me, but still, I'd rather not touch it. Poor guy. Well, hope you get better.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? Again? He is slaughtering them. 16 and a quarter. I don't know what his total is right now, but it doesn't matter because he's just totally blew me out of the water. He says this one has an infection. Can't see it in the pic, but he looked gnarly. I may not be able to come back at this point. I might as well just eat some cookies. That's the best I can do today. Alright, I'm getting closer to the Arkansas River now. It's not too far ahead and getting into really deep water. It's 36, 37 feet deep right here. I'm finally seeing fish on the graph now. They're way down there. And I really suck at trying to catch those deep fish. I can never get them to bite. Even when I get the lures right at them, right to them, I just can't do it. So, not that I can't do it, it's just I haven't yet. Anyway, at least I'm seeing fish now on the graph. It looks like with this super muddy water, they're hanging out in the deeper water. So, I don't know. I'm gonna keep grinding. Looks like the boy might have me today. We'll see. It ain't over yet. I've almost made it to the end of the river. Arkansas River's just past these boat docks here. Got a good chance right here, I think. Last 2 times I was here, I caught nice fish around this barge right here. So, I don't know. We'll see. There's one. Got him. I finally got a fish. He's a little guy. Oh my gosh. Well, at least I didn't get completely skunked. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, like I say, at least I'm not completely skunked. That's a spotted bass. Well, I have to measure him just in case I catch a giant that gets me close to Dylan's score. Not much chance of that at this point, but you never know. And looks like we got 10.5. At this point in the game, at least I got a fish. Thanks, buddy. You saved me from being skunked today. So I gotta say that I'm actually kind of happy that Dylan is beating me right now. You know, it wasn't very long ago, and I'm pretty sure he wasn't really into fishing that much. And I think that him watching my videos kind of inspired him, and that makes me kind of proud. So yeah, I think it's pretty dang cool that we're able to do this little challenge today. And hopefully, it won't be too long, we'll be making videos in person together. So yeah, anyway, proud dad. Catch up with him. Can't catch up with him. Oh, I missed him. Dang it. Oh, okay. That is the very spot that I caught a really big one last time. There he is again. Got him this time. I got you this time, buddy. Alright. Oh. He's not real big either, but bigger than that last one. Alright, another spot. He's a little guy too, but he's bigger than the last one. And at least I caught 2 today. After the really struggle bus kind of day I've had. At least I got 2. And my boy didn't completely obliterate me. He just annihilated me a little bit. Okay. Boy, he's not much bigger than the other one. At this point, I'll take it. Close your mouth, buddy. Breath stinks. Alright, looks like 12 inches. Yes. Thank you, buddy. Okay, maybe they're turning on for the evening. I don't have much time left, but maybe I'll at least catch up somewhat.
Okay. It is 4 o'clock, so I'm on the top, very top of the lake right now. So I'm gonna start heading back down. Park closes at 5. You gotta be out of the park at 5. So I'm gonna start making my way back. And then if I get there a little early, I may fish around the bottom of the lake there for a little bit, but definitely don't want to get locked in because you have to pay to have them come let you out. I'm gonna head back.
Alright, 10 minutes till 4. I need to be off the water by 5 because the park closes a little while after dark. They will lock me in. I've got a long, hard paddle back to the boat ramp. It's a long ways. I try not to stop and fish too much on the way back. Got him. Got him. That's a better one, the best one I've caught today for sure. All right. Not a giant, but definitely a good fish. Yeah. After the day I've had, I'll take that for sure.
Well, that is the day for me. Started out pretty slow, didn't catch a fish until around noon, maybe even later. But once I figured out that they were up really shallow, I ended up doing better. I think I caught 5 total. My biggest fish was 17 and a quarter, I believe. I might have to look back on the pictures, but I believe that was my biggest one. So I'll have to cull out 2 of them. Last time I talked to my dad, he had caught a couple. But that's been a couple hours ago, so he could have caught more by that time. So we're gonna wait till he gets off the water, and I'll give him a call, and we will get together the final score. Anyways, yeah, 5 fish. Definitely a successful day to me. All pretty decent sizes too. And it was a beautiful day. It was a little cold in the morning. It was really cold in the morning. It was like 32 degrees whenever I got on the water. It's currently 50 now, so it warmed up a little bit. Wasn't too bad, yeah. So call my dad here in a little while, and we'll get the final score together and see who won.
All right, I am back at the house here. We decided just to wait till we got home. We were both cold and tired and hungry, and we're about to do a video call and do our scoring. Just waiting on Dylan to give me a call here, and we're gonna get to it.
I guess just say what size of each one you caught and then your final score.
Okay. I caught a 10 and a half.
Okay.
I caught a 12, and I caught a 15 and a half for a total of 38 inches.
All right.
I'm happy with that because I really thought I was going to skunk.
I really did. I mean, I went most of the day without catching a fish.
Yeah.
And there towards the end, it picked up. So happy about that. So what about you?
I caught a 13 and a quarter, caught a 15 and a quarter, a 16 and a quarter, and a 17 and a quarter.
Okay.
So biggest 3 fish, I culled the 13 and a quarter for a total of 48 and 3/4.
10 and 3/4 more than me.
Yeah, nice. Good job.
Thanks. I guess I am the winner.
And I guess I am the big loser. So that means that according to our rules, a loser had to buy the winner a crazy Amazon fishing lure. And there was a bunch of them on there. When I started looking,
Yeah, I looked too.
yeah, there's some crazy stuff on there, but I tried to go with the crazy one that I thought you could actually fish with, or actually catch a fish with.
Which one you picked?
I wonder if it's the same one you were gonna pick. That'd be funny. Okay, so I went with the Fruck. The Fruck, F-R-U-C-K. And that's a cross between a frog and a duck.
I didn't even see that one.
Really? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take it out of the package here so we can really get a good look at it. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, but I guess if it was real big, you would have less chance of catching fish on it.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, okay, here we go. It's a duck with frog legs.
Hey, I feel like I could actually catch something with that.
I think you could too.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got it's made like a topwater frog.
Yeah.
But it's in the shape of a duck with frog legs. Okay, the Fruck.
The Fruck.
So you better fucking catch one with it.
Yeah. I will. I'm gonna use it for sure.
I think it's pretty cool. If you catch one, I might buy myself one.
Yeah. Yeah, mine was gonna be a little more out there than that. It wasn't gonna be as usable as that one. What I was gonna do was it was called the floater, and it was just a topwater, pretty much a turd. It's like a topwater.
Oh my god! If I'd have seen that, I for sure would have got that.
Yeah, it was just like a big. It was called the floater. It's just like a big log, basically.
Did you see the one that looked like cock and balls?
Yeah, I did. It's like a crankbait.
No, this one was like a spoon.
Oh, see, I saw a crankbait that was like a penis and like balls crankbait.
Yeah. Okay, cool.
Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna use that and catch a fish and film video with it.
Heck yeah. I hope so.
Well, that was a fun day. It was nice weather, and so I think it was a little tough for both of us at the beginning, but it seemed like it picked up towards the end. So.
Yep. It was really tough for me in the beginning. Matter of fact, most of the day was tough for me. All I did was get hung up and cuss.
Yeah.
Blown around by the wind.
Yeah.
It turned out really nice closer to the end of the day, and I had a great day anyway. Any day on the water is great.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yep.
I think we should make this a thing every once in a while. Do one of these challenges, kind of like getting a fish together without actually getting a fish together. So.
Yeah.
I think I said earlier in the video that I was really thankful for the technology to be able to do something like this with you, even though we're hundreds of miles apart. We can actually, it's almost like spending the day together fishing.
Yeah.
Awesome. I had a great time.
Me too. All right.
Well, that's it. I'll stick the truck in the mail for you.
Okay, I can't wait to get it.
All right. Love you, son.
All right, I love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.